Hello and welcome. It's Annette Hughes, the daycare lady. I have been MIA for a couple of weeks. My mom is sick. I started school. So now I'm playing catch up. Let's just dive right in. I want to talk about startup costs for your child care center or your in-home child care. I know some people think or say that you can start your daycare with no money, but that's impossible because you have to have some type of funds. I'm not saying that you have to have a boatload of money, but you have to have some money to start your business. Um, some of the costs that plays a factor. Number one, you have to pay for that application. You have to pay an application fee. You have to pay for health inspection, fire inspection, lead inspections if your state require it. You have to pay for your hot water heater and your furnace to be inspected. You have to buy fire extinguishers. You have to have the fingerprint scans done. There's a lot of costs to factor in when you're opening your child care center or your in-home daycare. Now, you can start with little funds, not a whole lot of funds if you're in your home. Um, but you do want to have enough cushion where to take you through until you start, getting your business going. But you have to have money to buy mats, cots, supplies, furniture, baby beds, cribs, pack and play. These are things that licensing require you to have. Some states they require playground, some they don't. Playground inspection, that is. Now, there are alternate routes that you can take here in Michigan for a playground. You can do, if you don't have a large playground with the playground equipment, you can get around that by offering alternate playground stuff like hula hoops, balls, bikes, the little parachutes that you throw up, something to keep the kids active. Now, when you building your business, you kind of do want to keep it to a minimum until you make the funding that you need to invest back into your business. Now, for those that are opening centers, what you want to do, well, I take that back. What you want to factor in is what your lease would be monthly, what your consumers would be monthly, what your insurance would run you monthly, quarterly, or whatever, or however you pay it. But my insurance is paid yearly, and I usually pay it all at once. I don't do the installments just because I don't like having a lot of monthly bills. So I try to keep that to a minimum. When I first started, I started out with two units, and they are 1,100 square feet apiece, and they are approximately less than 20 feet apart from each other. And I'm going to do videos of each one of my centers. I just haven't had the time to do it right now. I'm going to do the outside and I'm going to do the inside. But they're not that far apart from each other. And my consumer bill is at a minimum. My water bill is at a minimum. And it's just not a big overhead for me. The buildings are paid off now. Thank God. Paid off now. But they are affordable for myself. And another thing, you want to apply for that Dun & Bradstreet. I don't think I talked about Dun & Bradstreet, and what that is, that helps build your business credit. But you need to get these numbers. You need that Dun & Bradstreet. You need that EFIN number because it'll take something off of your personal credit. You probably will have to use your personal credit when you start out, but if eventually you can use your business credit to expand or to grow. And once you get that, and whoever you bank with, I do credit unions because they're easier to me than banks are. Credit unions are a little bit more lenient when it comes to helping small businesses. But I'm trying to think of some other things that I may have left out that you want to factor in when you start your business. Now, once you do get going really well, you have to spend that money on your enrollment packet. Your enrollment packet comes with, everything the parent needs to enroll in your center or your home. But listen up, guys. There is no way you can start your center or your home daycare with no money. We can say little money, but no money, you need money. You need money because you want good quality toys, good quality material supply, something that is inviting for the parents. They don't want to come in there and just look at a whole bunch of stuff that they look like you just dug out somebody's attic or something. You want your stuff to be presentable. And I'm not saying it has to be new, because you can shop the Goodwills, the Salvation Army, and yard sales to find good quality material and supplies. You can even get good books. So you just do your homework before launching out there. And then once you get into it, you'll find out what you really, really like and what you really, really need. And then you will watch your business grow and just take off. So I'm signing off for now, and I will see you next week. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.